Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying CURL and its SSL backend because the solution depends on which crypto library is used. Check curl version, then find the CA bundle path with curl v or common paths like /etc/SSL/certs/ca certificates. CRT. Once you've identified the bundle, make a quick backup copy so you can restore if needed. Now download an updated CA bundle from a trusted source or copy your OS-provided cert file, and prepare to point CURL explicitly at that file. Next, you replace or point CURL to a fresh CA bundle so certificate verification succeeds. Download CACert. PEM, verify its integrity by checking size and timestamp, and place it in a system or custom directory. Then set the environment variable curl CA bundle equals /path/to/CACert. PEM or add CACert /path/to/CACert. PEM to your curl command. This ensures CURL uses the updated routes immediately. Make sure to restart shells or services that cache SSL settings so the change takes effect. Finally, validate the fix by running a verbose request and inspecting the certificate chain. Use curl vcacert /path/to/CACert. PEM https://example. Com and look for a verified OK. If issues persist, check system clock skew, corporate proxy doing TLS interception, or missing intermediate certificates on the server. As a troubleshooting tip, you can use Insecure to bypass verification briefly, but do not leave that enabled. Instead, resolve the root cause so your connections remain secure and repeatable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.